This 2023 Coachmen Sportscoach SRS 376ES is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachman is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a iced chocolate cherry woodgrain interior, sleeps 9, smoke detector, oven, auxiliary battery, LP detector, skylight, air conditioning, CO detector, TV antenna, microwave, stove top burner, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bunk beds, bunk over cab, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2023 Coachmen Sportscoach SRS 376ES is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.